Hey there, fellow daters. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to delete your Hinge account in 2025. Whether you're stepping away from the app to focus on real-life connections, taking a digital detox, or just ready for a fresh start, you're in the right place. I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Hinge account on your phone or computer. If you're using the mobile app, which most people do, open it up and head to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That's your gateway to the settings. Once you're there, tap on Settings or Account Settings. It might vary slightly depending on the latest app update in 2025, but look for anything that says Account or Privacy. In this section, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Account or Deactivate Account. Hinge might prompt you with a warning about what this means, like losing your matches and messages, so take a second to think it through. If you're sure you want to proceed, select Delete Account and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll probably need to enter your password or confirm via email for security reasons. Hinge is all about safety, so this extra step ensures it's really you making the call. After confirmation, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that in 2025, Hinge might hold onto your data for a short period as per their privacy policy, so if you change your mind, check their website for reactivation options. And hey, if you're deleting because you're in a happy relationship, congrats. That's awesome. There you have it, you've successfully deleted your Hinge account. If you run into any hiccups or have questions, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and life hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.